In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails directly from a Trello board. This handy integration can streamline your workflow by letting you tackle everything from one place, and we're going to show you just how easy it is, step by step, in just about 5 minutes. First, let's begin by navigating over to Trello, your go-to tool for project management and task collaboration. If you're not already logged in, you'll encounter the login screen. Here, you have a few options on how to proceed. Whether you're using an email address, a Google account, or any other method that Trello supports. Choose the login option that suits you best to access your dashboard. Once you're inside Trello, you need to select the workspace that you'd like to work within. Check the left-hand menu for your list of workspaces, and once you've found the one you want, click into it. Inside this workspace, you'll see a variety of boards. Select the specific board where you intend to integrate email functionality. This will take you to the main interface of your chosen board. Now, with your board open, it's time to enable some additional functionality to allow email sending. What you'll want to do is look for the Power-Ups button. This can usually be found near the top of your board interface, nestled in the header menu. When you click on this button, it will open the Power-Ups directory, a treasure trove of features and integrations designed to enhance your Trello experience. In the search bar at the top, type in Email for Trello. This will bring up the relevant power-up that we need for our task today. Once you've found the Email for Trello power-up, you'll need to add it to your board. Click to approve and accept any required permissions. These permissions are essential as they allow the integration to communicate with your Trello board and external email services. Accepting permissions is a vital step, so don't skip it. After you've accepted the permissions, your page will refresh automatically. This is a good sign because it means the power-up is being activated. Once the page loads back up, you'll notice something new. A shiny Sendboard icon appearing next to your Power-Ups button. This is where the magic happens. It's your access point to managing email functions directly from your Trello board. Now that the Sendboard feature is available on your Trello interface, you're ready to create your mailbox. This part is intuitive. Just follow the on-screen prompts to set up and configure your mailing preferences as per your needs. With your mailbox now active, you can seamlessly start sending and managing emails without ever leaving your Trello board. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated email functionality directly into your Trello workflow, boosting your efficiency and minimizing the hassle of switching between tools. Continue exploring and customizing these settings to find the perfect setup for your projects. Thanks for watching and happy Trelloing.